I'm saying? So I only play big, and to play big, you can't play big by yourself. You have to involve other people. But what you have to understand is self-development of those people. You have to be a leader in the way that you build teams, effective teams. And in order to do that, you have to understand self-development. And if you don't understand that, if you can't self-develop yourself, if you can't identify your weaknesses, put yourself in the positions where you accent your strengths and you develop your weaknesses, then you're not going to be able to do that in other people. And if you can't do that in other people, yes, you can be successful, but you're going to limit your ability, your potential. And again, I've seen it from the bottom to the top. So it's those three things, right? If you understand and you can master those three things, no matter what industry you're in, no matter what you do, technical, tactical, and self-development, and you don't have to do it on a large scale. You can do it on people who work every day. Think about it. When you go into an interview, if you understand the technical,